Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking chicken tortilla soup in an Instant Pot. This recipe is so easy. For the actual soup, there's just 5 ingredients. Chicken breast, we're just using 2 chicken breasts. That was about 1.5 pounds of chicken. We're going to use chicken broth. This is 32 ounces. A jar of salsa, a can of black beans, and a package of frozen corn. And for the toppings, we're going to use corn tortilla strips, and other toppings you can use are avocado, cheese, or sour cream, or any toppings of your choice. So to make the soup, it's super easy. Just open the Instant Pot and dump all ingredients for the soup in the Instant Pot. So I'm just going to put chicken in the pot, and I'm going to add chicken broth, and salsa, now open a can of black beans, you can add the beans with liquid, and a package of frozen corn. If you'd like, you can just use a can of corn. It will work the same way. And now, once you added the ingredients for the soup, let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve in the sealing position. Press the pressure cook button. And set the time to 20 minutes on high pressure. And now, while the Instant Pot is cooking, let's prepare the tortilla strips. So I'm going to bake them in the oven so they're crunchy. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit before starting making this video. So now I'm just going to use a baking sheet, and I'm going to cut, this is 5 corn tortillas into little strips, and bake them in the oven so they're crunchy. So now I will put them in the oven and bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until they're crunchy to your liking. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the Instant Pot. And here's everything is cooked for the soup. So now we're going to take out the chicken and shred it. So we have 2 chicken breasts. I will find them and take them out. And the Instant Pot I will set it aside for now. And instead I'm going to use a food processor to shred the chicken. So here's my food processor. It's fitted with a slicing blade. And you can also shred it with 2 forks if you like to do it by hand, or you can use a mixer. I like to use a food processor. I think it's the easiest. So I'm going to just cut this chicken. So it's totally cooked, very soft. And I will put the chicken in the food processor. And use it to shred it. So the chicken is shredded now, and I will return it to the Instant Pot. So see, it's perfectly shredded chicken in seconds. And now I will put it back in the Instant Pot and mix it in our chicken tortilla soup. Look at this chicken tortilla soup. It was so easy to make. It looks so delicious. Now let me transfer some in a bowl. Look at this delicious soup. And this is so filling. This is dinner. You don't need any more side dishes. This is a complete meal. And now add your toppings. So I'm going to use my crispy tortilla strips. See how crispy they got in the oven? So just add that. And I'm going to add some shredded cheese. So good. And other toppings that are popular is chopped avocado and sour cream. So you can add toppings of your choice. And now let's try it. That looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying this chicken tortilla soup. This is delicious. You're going to love it. So easy, dinner on a table so quickly. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!